The waste management company Umwelt-Technik-Metallrecycling GmbH, or UTM, with head offices in North Germany, was founded in 1996 and has been part of the Séché Environnement Group since 2007. Séché Environnement is a leading company in the area of recycling and treatment of waste in France and all over the world. With UTM, Séché Environnement has become a leader in the European market for the treatment of industrial gases. In the last few years, UTM has treated and recycled over 300,000 gas cylinders with dangerous content. UTM GmbH is a certified waste management company according to ISO 9001 and 14001. Séché Environnement provides solutions for the safe transportation of all waste. For this purpose, a special safety container was developed for the transportation of gas cylinders. For gas cylinders in a bad condition which pose a risk, we have developed a robot which makes the handling possible for transportation in our safety container. The salvage container is closed by remote control. With the UTM transportation container, it is possible to transport all dangerous gas cylinders safely, amongst others. Also, damaged acetylene gas cylinders from which there could be a risk of explosion. The cylinders are sent to the Tredi, St. Vulbar site, the Séché Environnement branch, which specializes in the disposal of special waste. The highly developed technology at this site and the experienced employees enable the treatment of these gases under safe conditions. At this site, there is a special reactor technology for industrial use. The core of this technical process is a reactor in which every type of gas cylinder can be opened in safety. The apparatus presented here is intended to take up and open gas cylinders so that their contents can be determined and discharged under control. In the first step, the reactor opens in a horizontal position. A gas cylinder to be treated is placed into the slide-in unit. The slide-in unit moves inwards hydraulically and the circularly arranged base pin screws close the reactor pressure tight. Before opening the gas cylinder, the inside of the reactor is flooded with a suitable inert gas or liquid, depending on the content of the gas cylinder. This serves to deal with chemical and thermal reactions, either to prevent them or to allow them. The opening of the gas cylinder in the reactor can be made by a number of different tools, for example, by a multi-step drill. Alternatively, the cylinder can be opened by screwing out the valve with a tool so that the steel cylinder remains intact and can be reused as a gas cylinder. The pressure in the reactor can increase by up to 400 bar before an overpressure safety control device reacts. In the case of liquids, the container can be tilted to the vertical position. A thermal oil heating warms the reactor up to as much as 100 degrees Celsius so that the interior can be emptied quickly. The material in the reactor can now be discharged. The materials from the reactor are directed to the high-temperature combustion plant or to a chemical physical treatment facility. Now the empty cylinder is taken out of the reactor and in a further step, thoroughly baked at 1300 degrees Celsius to destroy any remaining material clinging to the inside of the cylinder. It is now possible to recycle the steel of the cylinder without any risk. In our list, we have more than 230 different gases. The unit is mobile and can be used anywhere. In UTM's treatment unit in Lübeck, old acetylene gas cylinders are recycled. Old acetylene gas cylinders contain solvents and can have asbestos-containing matter. This requires special treatment technology in order to guarantee environmental and safe recycling of the gas cylinders. Upon request, UTM also attends to the packaging on site alongside the necessary waste transport documentation, notification and transportation of the gas cylinders to Lübeck. Upon arrival of the gas cylinders, an acceptance inspection is carried out. Afterwards, the valve is checked for functional capability. The valves are unscrewed and removed from the cylinder and replaced with a special adapter. After connection to the oven half, the cylinders are ready for the distillation process in the oven. The distillation through the vacuum thermal oven process allows the solvents in the cylinder to be recovered. After the distillation process, the adapters can be removed and the cylinders are recycled. In order to remove the filling from the cylinders, we undo the cylinder and press out the porous mass with a plunger. According to the contents material, this mass can either be delivered to recycling or disposal. Zesche Environment with UTM and Tradi is a specialist in waste management of all types of gas cylinders. Working together for a cleaner environment.